Once again, my name is Jimmy Hubbs. We are at the fabulous Stagecoach Inn. We did get the all good A-OK to restore these beauties for what other than Conejo Valley Days Parade, good old days. This one here was originally built for the movie, so it's not exactly antique, but it's good enough for our parade. The original wagon that's already restored, this will be a single draw that we will run a draft behind. The original Stagecoach, we've come to the determination with the age of this vehicle, and I say vehicle because that's what was beginning of transportation, right? With the age of this vehicle, we're gonna put it on a trailer, turn it into a float, and still be able to have some of the docents from Stagecoach Inn riding it. I think it'll be pretty cool. The guy behind the camera is gonna help us. Alan Ray, Conejo Upholstery, Lance Fuller, as well from Motorsports Plus. We're gonna be putting them all back in gear, as well as a couple of volunteers that do blacksmithing here for the Stagecoach Inn. There is another little mini down here that we're gonna work on getting done, and it'll fit in perfect for the parade. Let's go look at it. This was the original first porta potty, if you'd believe it. Not really. But anyways, we're gonna get this redone, and the thought behind it is we're gonna put 2 Shetlands up front with someone running lead, holding it, and a little cowboy or girl, or both, up top. Build out some period correct, or get period correct luggage to go on the rack, and run some kids on the inside of it. Looking forward for this parade. I think we're gonna shoot for the stars, hit the moon, and make everyone happy. Looking forward for it. axis. So what you got to do is grease up the pad to get it to pivot.
Just give it a But the wood's not rotted out or nothing.
No.
No, listen.
This thing's been sitting
I
at
think
least
it was
20
made
years,
in
right?
65.
Okay.
Just throw them out when you're done.
So the concern here on this one is it's too old and they don't want it damaged, or
Yeah, it's just this is really authentic, and they're just concerned about it.
well, that axle's perfect.
Is it?
Perfect. Yeah. Barely. That's a real wheel.
Yeah, that's the wheel. What do you think?
We got a little play on that side. I can hear it rocking.
Yeah.
This one I think is a cover, a slip cover, padded slip cover, and just leave it.
Or just to put over it. Gotcha.
You know what? I've been looking for this for years. There's my purse. If they do not want it driven, we can build a float around it and set it on the float so we can put people in it.
That's a possibility.
They would like that.
Okay. That way the history continues. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So that's an option. This one we can pull. That one I'm 90% sure we can get that up and rolling.
I think so.
That little one, no problem. But this one, with the history that we have here, is probably best well served stationary. And just have people around it maybe, or possibly in it, depending on how the interior is.
Or somehow. Yeah.
I'm wondering, is it frowned upon to pee on film? Because I'm holding it here for you guys.
With the magic of film, we can make anything happen.